What kind of bird this is? Y'all let me know in the comments. Tell me what type of bird this is. Because this bird right now is watching out for his partner that's inside of my chicken coop. Let me see. Let me see. I could be wrong. Let me see. Oh, I was wrong. Thought his partner was in here. They be coming in the coop. I leave the coop door open so the girls can come in here, get themselves some water, some food when they're foraging. The birds be flying in. They don't care. Birds have no care, literally. Y'all remember this Blackberry, right? Y'all don't? Well, go check on it. Look on the page, y'all find it. Y'all definitely find what we're doing with this Blackberry. Just keep searching. I know y'all seen what we're doing with this Blackberry. Keep searching. Look on the page. Find the Blackberry. That's what we're doing with the raising up the Blackberries. Doesn't look too healthy up here. Hopefully I'm not losing it. I mean, not my mental, but the Blackberry, y'all. Come on. But, hey, still let me know what type of bird that was. Tell me.